So last session in previous class, as part of Hadoop installation, uh, we install VMware, VMware workstation, and we install Linux. So as part of Linux, we install CentOS 7, CentOS 7, and next we install Java in CentOS, Java. Next we install Hadoop, Hadoop installation. Next we set Java underscore home, and we set Hadoop underscore home, and we set path variable, right? Path variable in .basrc file, .basrc file, basrc file, right? So let me open that one. Qt batch 5, right? So let's click on power on virtual machine. So one important note, .basrc file, .basrc file presented in all users home directory, all users home directory. It will automatically executes, it will automatically executes, it will automatically executes when user logged in, when user logged in. So whatever the path we set inside this basrc file, set to our system. So why we are setting Java home, Hadoop home, and any path variables in this file means it will automatically execute when user is login. So that so that whatever the environment variable we set, right, that is available for our system. Yep. I'll give office admin number. You can speak with him. Kinare, right? Kinare. Yeah, Kinare. Okay. So let's see. I'm entering root and password. So let's check cat slash cat tilde slash dot basrc. So here we have different one. Morning I think we removed Hadoop home. See, one more important point. Tilde means it will takes users home directory. Users home directory. Example for root user home directory. Root user home directory. This is slash root. Srinivas user home directory. Srinivas user home directory. So it is /home/Srinivas. Okay. So for every user, home directory created under this location. Under this location. For root user, it will create home directory under root. Okay. Assume we are in /opt. Then if you say tilde, it takes you /root. This is root user. Let's put root. Okay. Next one, for Srinivas user, assume we are in /opt. So if you type tilde, it will take, so cd tilde means it will takes you /home/Srinivas. So tilde refers home directory of any user. That's why here we say tilde slash dot bash rc, right? Tilde means /root because we are in root user. Okay, you can use tilde slash dot bash rc, or you can use in this way, nano tilde slash sorry tilde slash dot bash rc, or you can type /root slash dot bash rc. So root directory contain .bash rc file. Tilde means it's referring up to this path. In this user, it is referring in this path. If it is Srinivas user, it will refer /home/Srinivas. Okay. So I think we removed Hadoop path. Let's add Hadoop path. Let's open one more terminal. cd /opt/Hadoop cd. So we need to set a bin and sbin, right? So let's go terminal here, nano Hadoop underscore home. So export Hadoop underscore home. Instead of confusing in Kafka class, I removed this one. Hadoop underscore home /opt/Hadoop, right? Export path equal to $path $Hadoop underscore home /bin $Hadoop underscore home /sbin. So up to this part we did in yesterday's class, right? Next, restart this bash rc file. To effect that path, we restart by using source command. Now I am checking Hadoop version, Hadoop space version. So it is displaying what? Hadoop version. Okay, it is displaying Hadoop version 2.9.1. Okay, yep. Next one, next, configuring Hadoop. Configuring Hadoop. So we have three steps. We have three steps. Pre-installation steps. Pre-installation steps. So pre-installation steps we use Linux installation and Java installation, Java installation and Java underscore home and path variable. So these steps are called pre-installation steps. Pre-installation steps. Installation. Installation steps. So downloading Hadoop. Downloading Hadoop. Extracting Hadoop. Extracting Hadoop. Next, set class, set Hadoop underscore home and path variable, path. So set Hadoop underscore home and path variable. These are installation steps. Post installation steps. Post installation steps. Post installation steps. A, configuring Hadoop. Next one, B, create a passwordless SSH. Create passwordless passwordless SSH. And C, start and stop Hadoop daemons. Hadoop daemons. So these are post installation steps. So we completed pre-installation steps, installation steps. Now we are going to implement configuring these post installation steps. We will discuss what is the purpose of passwordless. Let's wait. Let's first do configuring Hadoop is a directory. Yep. Next one, configuring Hadoop. Configuring Hadoop. So here Hadoop home directory. Hadoop home directory contain some configuration path cd slash opt slash Hadoop. Okay, under this one, if you type ls, you will see there is one more directory etc, cd etc, etc. Under etc you will see one more directory called Hadoop. So cd Hadoop. Under Hadoop you will see some configuration files. Mainly there are three configuration files: core-site.xml file and hdfs-site.xml file, and next one MapReduce-site.xml file, and next one yarn-site.xml file. So we use these four configuration files. Yep. So all configuration files available under all configuration files, all configuration files available under Hadoop home, Hadoop underscore home slash etc slash Hadoop. In our case, Hadoop underscore home is slash opt slash Hadoop, right? So this is Hadoop home. Once again, I am giving that path. So Hadoop home equal to, we set this path. So under Hadoop underscore home slash etc slash Hadoop contain all configuration files. Okay. Yep. It is recommended to install third-party softwares in OPT. So if you go that video, you will get clear understanding of file system architecture. Yep, I explained. Next one, in this we need to configure core-site.xml file, site.xml file, and next one hdfs-site.xml file, site.xml file, and next one MapReduce-site.xml file, and next one yarn-site.xml file. So in configuration part, we do what? core-site.xml file, hdfs-site.xml file, MapReduce-site.xml file, yarn-site.xml file, we modify. XML file. So here XML, typo mistake. So in core-site.xml file, what we modify? In core-site.xml file, we provide HDFS file system type, file system type, and name node, name node, name node, URL. So we use like nano core-site.xml file. So before entering nano, we have to use cd slash opt slash Hadoop slash etc slash Hadoop. We need to enter into that path, then modify core-site.xml file. So let's see the details of core-site.xml file. Let's copy this one. Okay, let's see first core-site.xml file, core-site.xml file in Hadoop. So let's open this core-site.xml file. See, these are different parameters are available. These are different parameters available. Whatever required, we modify all those. Okay. So many parameters are there, right? Based on in production servers, administrator uses all these parameters. So file system type we specify by using this parameter fs dot default fsi. Whether you are using normal file, we use this format. Syntax local file, we use this syntax. HDFS file system, we use HDFS colon slash slash. If it is a normal file, we use file colon slash slash. If it is a HDFS file system type, we use HDFS colon slash slash. Okay. So here you will see all different parameters. Each parameter has its own purpose. Then we use only few parameters now. No. 3 backward slash is for local file system. File colon 3 backward slashes. If you want to set security group, authentications, anything, all parameters are available here. Okay. If you have a time, go through this core-site.xml file one time, you will get a clear understanding. Here you will see description also. Side you will see description. For each parameter you will see description here. Why this parameter? Core-site.xml file. If you are an administrator, you need to know all parameters. Let's take one default one. To set our configuration path. So we use this one property name equal to fs dot default dot name hdfs colon slash slash IP address of your name node mission and port number. So let's take name node details with the file system type we are entering. Copy this one, go to our file, see root. So we are in currently in slash opt slash hadoop slash etc dash hadoop, right? Now nano core-site.xml file. Okay. So this is a XML file. So let's come down. XML file contain root tag is configuration tag. In this configuration tag for core-site.xml file, this is the parent tag. In this parent tag, I will enter this property. In web services, we use XML. XML is a separate language. It's a markup language. For data transport, we use JSON, but like configuration part, most of the times we go for XML. XML is used to develop multiple languages, markup languages. HTML also implemented by using XML. Latest one, old one you implemented with other technology. That is also related to XML only. XML parent. So here our name node in same system, right? That's why I used localhost. Because why I am not entering IP address here is IP address is changed multiple times in our system. This is dynamic IP address. So if it is a static IP address or fixed IP address, enter IP here. Localhost means it will refer same computer. Okay. So core-site.xml file is completed. Control X, Y to save and quit. Next one, hdfs-site.xml file. hdfs-site.xml file. Next important one, hdfs-site.xml file. In this XML file, we we provide HDFS file system block size, HDFS file system block size, otherwise it will consider default block, otherwise it will consider default block size. If you want to change any block size, then go to core-hdfs-site.xml file so that you will understand. hdfs-site.xml file. So in this we have a different parameters. So here there is one parameter which says block information. Control F, say block. So here dfs dot block size. Next one, we provide HDFS file system block size, replication factor. Default is 3. But in our single system, 3 replicas is waste, right? Only one is enough. So if you not specify, it will consider 3. So that's why we change the replication factor, and there are many other properties. These are main important one. So for single system, we change only this one. Remaining we leave as it is. So check replication property. DFS dot replication. Property name is DFS dot replication. So we write like in this form. Let me take. So property we use in this way. So replication, we change. What is the property name? This one, right? DFS dot replication. Property name is DFS dot replication. Value is 1. So replication, it will create only one. Copy this one, go to hdfs-site.xml file in Linux. So nano hdfs-site.xml file. Here under configuration tag, paste this entire property. Copy this one and go to here, paste. So replication we set 1. Control X, Y to save and quit. Next one, MapRed-site.xml file. MapRed-site.xml file. In this file, we specify MapReduce architecture type. MapReduce architecture type. Example, MapReduce architecture 1 and MapReduce architecture 2. MapReduce 2 architecture is Yarn architecture. So we specify what is the type MapReduce architecture we are using in our Hadoop. Let's go. MapRed-site.xml. MapRed-site.xml in Hadoop latest versions. Not required to modify all, just so this is the property. We are saying just simple property. by default, by default, by default, mapred-site.xml file is not available. File is not available. Not available. We have mapred-site-template dot xml file. So copy it to mapred-site.xml file. So we have this file. From this file, copy the content from this file to this file, new file. Okay. Then add this property. Add this property. So let's go Linux. ls. See, we don't have MapReduce-site.xml file. We have MapReduce-site.xml.template, not hyphen, dot template. So from this file, use cp mapred-site.xml file. Then I am creating mapred-site.xml file. I am creating file. So by using cp command, I am copy the content of this into this file. If this file is not available, it will create this file and copies this content into this file. Okay. Now let's modify that file. Nano mapred-site.xml file. Go to configuration path, then paste that property. Paste this property. That's it. So in this, we are saying yarn. So MapReduce architecture type, we are saying yarn architecture. Then every time while executing MapReduce, it will first reads this file. Next time it will enter into yarn-site.xml file. In this yarn-site.xml file, we define yarn architecture type. Okay. Once next important file is yarn-site.xml file. Yarn-site.xml file. In this file, we provide yarn architecture details. Yarn architecture details. Let me see. So closing, value, closing name. Everything is connected. Let's once again verify. So let's see yarn-site.xml file. So what we provide in yarn-site.xml file, we do all this. So these are important. Yarn.acl enable equal to 0. Yarn.resource manager.hostname equal to our local host. Next, yarn.node manager name, we are saying MapReduce-sepal. So these are different parameters of yarn architecture. Let's copy this one. Go to nano yarn site.xml file. So go to here. So here I am removing and I am pasting our tags. Okay, so that's it. Control X, Control Y. Let's display cat 4-site.xml file. So we've opened, property is open, name is open tag, close tag, value is open tag, close tag, property closed, configuration closed. Next one, cat hdfs-site.xml file. So here also configuration is open, property open, name open, name closed, value open, value closed. Yeah, property. Here this is not closed properly. So nano. So every XML tag follows some standard rules. Every opening tag should be closed. Every opening tab should have closing tag. Okay. Parent tag should close last. Child tag should close first. So there are some rules. If you want to know rules, there is one site. First excellent site is W3C schools. W3C schools. So you can see XML complete XML details. Tutorials here. You will see XML. Learn XML. You will see many topics related to XML. And if you want to become master, then on XML, if you want to become master, there is one famous book, XML Bible. XML Bible. It's excellent book. This one. XML has only one version. Till now, it has only one version. By using this, we define multiple languages. We develop multiple languages. This is the one. XML Bible. Latest one, XHTML. No. XML is a separate language. HTML is separate language. Okay, so that's it for configuration. Let's go another file also. Cat mapred-site.xml file. So all tags are properly closed. Next one, cat yarn-site.xml file. Here also root tag is properly closed. Property tag is opened closed. Name is opened closed. Property is opened closed. Name is opened and closed. Value is opened and closed. So this one also same. So there is no error. XML you must open tag must be closed. Otherwise you will get error. So post configuration is completed. Post configuration is completed. The next one. So internally MapReduce using shuffling concept in Yarn architecture. We'll see briefly. We'll discuss MapReduce details in Tuesday class. You will understand that. One minute. Yep, we did what? Configuration is completed. Next two steps we'll see. Yep. MapReduce. This one. Yep. ACL permissions. Next one, create passwordless SSH. So to create passwordless SSH, we use these commands. Yep. To create SSH passwordless SSH, we use this command. Then finally we copy this one into our same mission. So we have one more user, right? Hadoop user. So copy this one into two users. So first let's generate passwordless SSH key, and we will discuss why this passwordless SSH key is required. Press enter. It will ask enter file which you want to save root SSH ID. Press enter. It is asking password. Don't enter any password and don't enter anything. Just press enter. So it is created passwordless SSH. So internally it uses RSA key to generate passwordless SSH. Then use this command to copy generated one to this user. Yes, I want to copy. Do you want to enter any root user password? Okay. So I want to know whether SSH passwordless SSH key is generated or not. How do we check is SSH localhost. When I say SSH localhost, it should not ask password. If it is asking password means we did not generate passwordless SSH key properly. Press enter. It is not asked any password. Let's click on exit. It comes out. So same way copy this password to Hadoop user. Okay. Root user. So first, why passwordless SSH key is required? Why passwordless SSH key is required? Mm, yep. Let's go here. This one. So we are installing sudo distribution mode, right? We are installing sudo distribution mode. All daemons runs in same mission, different JVM. Same mission, different JVM. I said one more important point. Each daemon thinks that it is running in different mission. Yes or no? So in this case, how this mission communicate with this mission? So internally it uses SSH protocol. Internally communication, data node communicates with name node, task tracker communicates with job tracker, secondary the job tracker communicates with name node, right? So internally daemons communicate with each other, right? How it communicates means it uses SSH protocol. So if you want to use SSH protocol, it will ask username and password. It will ask password of, for example, you are running all daemons in root user. So while entering SSH localhost, it will ask root user password. If you are running these daemons in Hadoop user, it will ask Hadoop user password. So if you create a passwordless SSH key, then it will not ask password. Whenever SSH communication happen between slave mission to master mission, master mission to master mission, SSH will not ask password because we generated passwordless key. Okay. So because of this passwordless key, all communicates with each other using SSH protocol without password. Without password. That's why we generated passwordless SSH key. So SSH key is generated successfully. Next one, start all daemons. Start daemons. So to stop or start daemons, to start or stop daemons, Hadoop underscore home, Hadoop underscore home slash sbin contain scripts, contain scripts. Start hyphen all hyphen start hyphen all dot sh to start all daemons, to start all daemons. Stop hyphen all dot sh, stop hyphen all dot sh to stop all daemons, to stop all daemons. demands. Before this C, uh, this is not C, this is D. We have a one more step, C step. First time, format the name node. Format the name node. So this step we require. This step we have to do. So simple command to execute formatting. Let me show that command. This one, HDFS name node hyphen format. HDFS hyphen name node hyphen format. We have to execute this command. After start all demands, stop all demands. So we have some other shell script. We can we can start we can start only HDFS demands. We can start we can start only MapReduce demands. MapReduce demands. We can start individual demands. We can start individual demands. So we have different scripts to start and stop demands. Go through other scripts what are available for start only HDFS, only MapReduce, individual demands. Let's see start hyphen all, stop hyphen all first. Before that, let's format name node. Copy this command. Go to Linux, root, so execute this command. HDFS name node hyphen format. So it is successfully format. We did not see any error. Okay. Now cd slash opt slash hadoop slash sbin contain different scripts. Start hyphen all, start hyphen all, stop hyphen all. These are two scripts to start and stop all demands. Only HDFS demands. CMD for Windows. SSH for Linux. Latest version combines both commands. That's why we are seeing. Okay. In older version, Hadoop available only for Linux. Yep. So JPS is a command to check processes are running or not. So currently there is no process is running. Let's write that statement. JPS is used to check running Hadoop processes. Hadoop processes. So here use start hyphen all dot sh. We set already Hadoop underscore home and path variable. That's why it is not mandatory to execute this command in sbin. You can execute this command anywhere, because we set already path, right? So that these commands are available anywhere. Observe. it is starting all demands. It will display starting name node, starting data node, starting secondary name node. It is why it is asking. Starting yarn demands, everything is started. Just to type JPS, you will see data node is started, secondary name node is started, name node is started, resource manager is started. This is node manager, name node. Job tracker plus resource manager, task tracker plus node manager. Okay, these are process IDs. Everything control alt to del, we see processes list, right? In Windows different processes are running, so each program is one process, background process. So every process contains some ID. This is not port, this is internal process ID. So we saw this one, right? Next, let's open browser, go to applications, click on file, Firefox. So this is CentOS and we install everything manually. So there are no tabs configured. So we have to use localhost colon 50070 name node URL. Okay, this is Apache. Previously we saw what? Cloudera. So this is Apache name node URL. Yep, green. So here see utilities, browse file system. I think you install Apache, right? So you entered the commands they provided. So finally you install Apache. Okay. It's open source and free. Cloudera Quick Start also free. Forever it is free. Quick Start. Quick Start VM. Quick Start VM only for practice purpose and developers, learners. Okay. Enterprise uses cluster mode, fully distribution mode. Yep. So this is root. Currently there is no files and directories presented here. Okay. So go to overview and configured. We given 30 GB, right? After all installation setup, it is showing 26 GB. There are multiple packages are installed in that 30 GB, right? So we have free spaces 26 GB. One machine is running. There is no dead nodes, right? JPS displays processes running, Hadoop processes list. So we want to know what are the processes are running, right? We have 5 processes. We want to know whether they are running or not. So to stop process, sorry, stop icon all dot sh, stop icon all dot sh. Let's type JPS. See, there is no process running. I want to start only HDFS daemons. Then use start-dfs.sh. Let's use start-dfs.sh. Observe, name node is starting. Start-dfs.sh starts only HDFS daemons. HDFS daemons. Yep, JPS. Secondary name node is started. Name node is started. Data node is started. Only HDFS daemons are these three, right? So start-dfs command starts only HDFS daemons. Here you will see yarn-daemons.sh. It will start MapReduce daemons. Let's start stop-dfs.sh. So I am stopping HDFS daemons. Let's start only yarn daemons. Yarn-site.xml file. Sorry, yarn-ls so this one, right? Yarn-daemons.sh. Yep. Let's check like DFS. Is there any other? Yeah. Here we have start-yarn.sh. We have to use this one. Start-yarn.sh. So it is starting resource manager, node manager, JPS. So we see resource manager, node manager is started. Okay. Stop-yarn.sh. It will stop only yarn demands. Okay. That's it for installation part. So here we discussed sudo distribution mode installation. Only one thing you understand, what is local distribution, standalone distribution, and sudo distribution difference. Local or standalone, and sudo distribution, sudo distribution, sudo distribution. So if you not set if you not set if you not set core if you not set or configure core-site.xml file, then we can say local mode. So local mode uses what? Local mode uses 1 JVM and local file system. So if you not do any configuration, then we can say post configuration steps we applied configuration part, right? If you leave that configuration, it is working in local mode. If you do configuration, then it works in sudo distribution mode. Yep. By default is local. Sudo distribution mode. Yep. So as part of this installation, Hadoop, Hadoop installation, Apache Hadoop installation, Apache Hadoop installation, it will install only, it will install only Hadoop, install only Hadoop. Ad- Hadoop frameworks, Hadoop frameworks like like Pig, Hive, Scoop, Flume, Oozy, and HBase, etc. etc. Everything we have to install manually. Everything we have to install manually. Manually in Apache Hadoop. Apache. Apache installation. Okay. So this part is enough for our Hadoop development. Okay. Fully distribution mode and everything is for production purpose. So that part we cover in Hadoop administration. In Hadoop administration, we discuss various things. Around 40-45 hours, we will discuss Hadoop administration. How to? Beam. Yep, simple, very simple. If you go through any documentation, you will easily understand. With this knowledge, you will easily understand. Just they will provide tar files. So you see Apache mirrors, right? Download tar file by using wget. Yep, extract the tar file. Only we provide Hadoop path location. Where is Hadoop installation path? Pig provides one configuration file. In that configuration file, we provide that Hadoop path. That's it. Remaining installations are also easy. For Hive, we need to do some extra things. Yep. Cloudera no need. Everything installed. Everything available. Quick Start VM provides everything. So Cloudera VM also providing sudo distribution mode. Quick Start VM. Okay. No. For our development, we use Cloudera Quick Start. Cloudera Quick Start. Industry using different vendors. So some companies using Cloudera, some companies using Hortonworks, some companies using Mapper. So this is demand in the market, same order. So first popular one is Cloudera, next one Hortonworks, Mapper. Coming to IBM, IBM always uses its own product, HD Insights. Microsoft always uses its product. Big Insights. No, this is Big Insights. You confused me. This is Big Insights. This is HD Insights. And some people using Amazon EMR. Amazon uses all products plus Amazon EMR. Some people using Amazon EMR. So these are popular products. So industry using in this order. Most products are Cloudera, Hortonworks, Mapper. Apache is enough. Apache Hadoop. Everything. All these vendors follows Apache Hadoop. We are also discussing Apache, but working on different vendor. That's it. So only one thing, user interface is different. Internally, all these products uses Apache Hadoop only. There is no different in single command. Whatever the command we write, right? Whatever the program we write, everything works on all these vendors. There is no difference. Yep. Vendor to vendor, customization is different. They give different user interfaces. Yep. Yep. Hints available in Google. You can go Google and you can find. Okay. So that's it for today. And tomorrow we'll meet 8:30 as our regular class timing. And tomorrow we are starting Spark and Scala 7 o'clock. Okay. Yep. That's it for today. And tomorrow class, first we'll discuss HDFS write flow. And next we discuss HDFS read flow. Then we start HDFS commands. HDFS commands. Okay. So whatever I opened this one, right? This link, Linode. This is complete fully distribution mode setup. This is complete fully distribution mode setup. In this, whatever we require, we copied. So this link, not only Linode, there are many links available for Hadoop installation in pseudo distribution mode, fully distribution mode. Based on this knowledge, you can try to install fully distribution mode. So we'll meet tomorrow.